Welcome to an analysis of Barbie Princess Charm School, where we will explore how power dynamics and communication styles shape the character's journey. The movie shows us how a young girl navigates a prestigious institution and evolves through her ability to communicate and understand power structures. Barbie Princess Charm School is a story about Blair Willows, a girl from humble beginnings who enters a school where princesses are made. The school is not just a place for learning attitude, but also a place where power is determined by how students communicate and interact. The school is structured with clear power hierarchies. The headmasters, the teachers, and the royal family all hold significant authority. Meanwhile, the students, including Blair, are expected to follow rules, but through communication, they can navigate and challenge these power structures. Blair begins the story as an outsider, with no special status or connection. Her communication style, honest but uncertain, is different from the more polished and practiced styles of the other students, placing her at the bottom of the school's social hierarchy. The teachers at Princess Charm School represent authority and power. They hold the key to students' success, shaping how the students communicate and how they are perceived. The power they hold is rooted in knowledge, control over the curriculum, and their influence on the student futures. Communication style at Princess Charm School are crucial in determining power. Blair's style is open and honest, while others use more strategic, formal communication. These differences influence how they are perceived and how much power they hold within the school. In class, Blair used assertive communication, speaking her mind respectfully. In contrast, other students like Delancey, who wield more subtle form of power, communicate passively, often avoiding direct confrontation while maintaining control through social influence. Nonverbal communication such as body language, facial expression, and gesture also plays a critical role. Blair's open body language convey warmth and sincerity, while some characters use close or controlling body language to maintain a sense of superiority and power. Peer pressure and social groups create their own power dynamics. The in-crowd communicates in ways that maintain exclusivity, using gossip and exclusion to retain control. Blair, however, challenges this through her open and inclusive communication styles. Conflict arises throughout the movie, often due to miscommunication. However, Blair resolves this conflict through clear and empathetic communication, showing that power dynamics can shift when people communicate effectively and with integrity. Dean Devon, a central antagonist, used gossip and manipulation as her primary communication tools. By controlling information and creating alliances, she attempts to solidify her position in the power structure. Her passive-aggressive communication style gives her an edge, but it also isolates her. Blair's emotional intelligence is key to her success. She understands other feelings and communicates with empathy, which helps her break down barriers and connect with those around her. Emotional intelligence is a subtle but powerful form of communication that allows Blair to gradually gain influence. Mentorship plays a significant role in shaping communication style. The headmisters and other mentors guide Blair to refine her leadership style, teaching her to how to communicate with authority and grace, empowering her to navigate complex power dynamics. As Blair gains confidence and learns from her mentors, her communication style evolves. She transitions from a shy outsider to a leader using clear, assertive communication to influence the school power dynamics. The shift allows her to challenge authority and redefine the rules of the game. In the royal setting, communication is formal and reserved. The royal family communicates in a way that reinforces their status. However, Blair uses her more authentic, grounded communication style to bridge the gap between the royal family and herself, gradually earning their respect. Empathy becomes a tool of power in players' hand. By understanding the emotion and motivation of others, she empowers them, creating a supportive network that helps her overcome obstacles and rise in the school social hierarchy. Blair's leadership style is based on communication. Rather than commanding, she listens, built trust, and used her influence to inspire others. This reflects a shift in power, as it demonstrates that leadership doesn't rely solely on authority, but on effective, empathetic communication. Blair's communication style ultimately empowers others around her. As she grows into her role, she uses communication to uplift and encourage her peers, creating a more equitable and supportive environment within the school. The key takeaway from Barbie Princess Charm School is that power dynamics are deeply tied to communication. Whether through assertiveness, empathy, or emotional intelligence, the way characters communicate shapes their ability to navigate and influence power structures. To conclude, Barbie Princess Charm School teaches us that power is not just about status, but also about how we communicate. Blair's journey shows that by understanding power dynamics and refining our communication styles, we can shape our destiny and lead with integrity. Thank you very much.